Hey guys, welcome back with me. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove and add a new background in CapCut PC. So here I've already imported a clip. I'm going to show you the first step to remove the background. Click on the clip and then go to the video tab. Click on the cutout, and here I'm going to just use the auto cutout because there is no other object in the video. So I'm going to turn on the auto cut out and wait for the removing background process to finish. You can see now it's applying. You can just wait until it finish. Okay, so now the outer cutout has been completed and the background has been fully removed like this. And to change the background, you just need to go to the basic tab in here and then scroll down the menu until you find canvas. Okay, this one, turn on the canvas, and then here you can see there is the drop down. Click on this box and choose the style to add a new background, and here you just need to scroll down and there will be a bunch of CapCut background that you can choose freely from here. For example, I want to use this one, so download it first, then it will be applied to your clips just like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there. And also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Bye.